Located in West Los Angeles at 1678 Federal, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath upper in a relatively small 7-unit building is in a prime location. And it does have an art-like, loft-like vibe to its entryway and expansive walls for artwork and more. Remodeled kitchen with all new cabinetry, of course the dishwasher, stainless steel sink, and the main windows do face south, so you get all day sun. The balcony is really quite large. It's very wide and very long, so definitely a place to hang out and enjoy Southern California weather. Well, enjoy the rest of the tour and call for a private showing or if you need additional information. Thanks.